Good morning from a rainy Netherlands. Cold,
Rainy.
but I'm getting warm off this beautiful new bike. It's a new oldie, Sport 14 Moto Guzzi. Now completely serviced, running conditioned. What a beauty. I think it's 1930, something like that.
28 or 12.
Yeah. Well, maybe put it inside, Johan.
Yeah.
Getting wet. Wow, look how nice this is. Oh, zat er nog weer langs. All done by a Guzzi specialist. What a beautiful pair of history here. Eh? Oh, okay. It's like new, eh?
Yeah.
No. Wow. Yeah. Look at it. Beautiful. Well, you did a good job on that.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, very good.
Cool bike. Look at this. How nice. The weather's too bad to start up the bike now. So we'll make a video from this one and a video from this one. It's the Notch. I think this is also about the same age. Two very beautiful bikes. And both are for sale. Well, I'm really impressed.
Yes.
The work Will did.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Can't wait to hear it running.
Yeah.
But we have to wait because it's raining. If you're interested in this bike or the Notch, call us for more information. The bikes will be on the website as soon as possible. VintageMotorcycles.nl, you can visit and see. You can call us, visit us, of course, and plan a video call. We're located in the Netherlands and we ship worldwide. We have a lot of bikes more, so don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.